In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to straighten and crop an image quickly using the Perspective Crop tool in Photoshop. In this document, we want to straighten this image, so let's get started. First, go to the Crop tool in the toolbar, and from the options, choose the Perspective Crop tool. Now, zoom in on the image and draw a grid around the area that you want to straighten and crop. Make sure the grid lines follow the natural edges or lines in your image. This helps Photoshop understand the correct perspective. Once you're done, press Enter to apply the crop. Now zoom out and you'll see that your image is perfectly straightened and cropped in just a few seconds. To rotate it properly, go to the Image menu, choose Image Rotation, and then select 90 degrees clockwise. And that's it. We've straightened and cropped the image quickly and accurately using the Perspective Crop tool in Photoshop. So, in this short tutorial, we learned how to use the Perspective Crop tool to fix tilted or distorted images in just a few clicks. This tool is especially useful for architectural photos, documents, or any image that needs precise alignment.